Either you're a rhubarb fan or you're not. This is stewed rhubarb, sugar-free. Takes 10 minutes to make. It's really good on a plain Greek yogurt. Either you like rhubarb or you don't. I'm a huge rhubarb fan. We have a plant that's been going for over 30 years now, and it's about the only plant that the animals don't eat. Deer and raccoons and groundhogs and squirrels. But I'm going to stew some rhubarb today, and it's so easy to do. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. We're going to start with some rhubarb, 2 cups of rhubarb, and if you want to double it, you can. And you can see the size of that. They're about 1/2 inch to 3/4. We'll throw that in the pot. Turn the heat on to a medium-high. This is sugar-free stewed rhubarb. So I've got a 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol. I'll just put that in. A tablespoon of lemon juice. And I like to squeeze my lemons and put them into a little squirt container. So 1 tablespoon. There you go, that's a tablespoon. And what we're going to do is just bring this up to a boil, and we're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. A 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol to 2 cups of chopped rhubarb is perfect. That's a nice consistency right there. Now, this only has 1.7 net carbs per 1/2 cup. That's very affordable in the keto diet. I like this on plain Greek yogurt. You can see how that's, now sometimes you can use a potato masher, but if you just cook it for 10 minutes, it's gonna be a nice consistency like that. There you go. There's sugar-free stewed rhubarb. Hopefully you try it. Thanks for watching.